Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is the 9th of January. It is lunchtime. It's about 12:17, and we've had a little bit of volatility in the markets today, and I thought I'd go live and talk to you guys about it. And if you guys have questions, you could chat with me on the side here and just basically go over some of what we're seeing. So, we gapped up again in the markets today, and then we found this big sell-off that came out of nowhere, and it was really the Qs, right? If you look at the Qs, I mean, they came in, they hammered the Qs hard through the first, let's call it 30, 35 minutes. And then they kind of, we chilled out and we come back up pretty strong here at this point. So this is a good thing. The SPY is doing its thing. It's still holding in here. There's no problems. And the IWM hit a new all-time high today and is still not quite going. So what's going on is they did some profit taking in some of the big names that have run a lot, and they're shaking the tree a little bit, trying to get people out of these big long positions in there. Everybody's very bulled up. They're not really ready to sell the market, but they're shaking it a little bit. And we start earnings now, right? We're going to earnings season. The banks really start reporting on Friday morning. So just some things to keep an eye on. Speaking of the banks, I start calling out this morning. It looked like they were rotating into it. XLF, new 52-week high, new all-time high, right? XLF running. JP Morgan, not quite back to last week's all-time high, but it's getting closer and closer here. Citigroup, right? Going. So I've been saying this morning, they're rotating into the banks. Microsoft news coming across that it's getting huge performance hit on the fix for the Spectre. So that's what we have going on here. So everybody's getting really nervous. There's no real fear right now in this market. This was a shakeout. It was mostly in tech. You can see the VIX is not really reacting all that much for it. But that said, breadth is bad today. Breadth has not been good. We look at our advanced decliners. It's been red all day, right? Came in and quickly sold off, and we're still hovering down here. And the truth is the markets could use an inside day or two. I mean, even today, the SPY, we're up. We're green. This is day what, 6? Day 6 of up in a row. We could use a rest here. The market just doesn't seem to be inclined to give it at this point. So, some of the setups this morning, XNet worked really nice. I got a great trade on XNet this morning. This still going here without me in it anymore, but that's okay. And, we'll just see. I'm still in my square, still in a lot of my calls that I haven't changed out. Twitter got nailed on that pullback, and we'll see now if it can reset. Overall, not a lot of damage done here today in this market. Apple, which was one of the weaker names, came screaming back here. So overall, not a lot to be afraid of here at this point. I'm just thinking, play it carefully. Be careful initiating up here. The SPY, we're up there. We're at elevated levels. You want to be careful chasing this stuff. I was saying that for the last couple of days. And a lot of people are hitting me up on the side asking questions in the service. So I just giving you guys the opportunity to talk to me. If you have questions, to ask them here. Anything going on that you guys aren't sure about right now or you want to talk about, it's a good time just to come in. Overall, though, it just feels like a shakeout that's been going on here. And, that's it. Market is what the market is here. That said, I wouldn't be chasing the high flyers. And it does look like they're trying to rotate back into biotech. IBB today, after that horrible candle yesterday, has rotated right back up into this area again. Energy is not selling off. It's holding in just fine up here. Just feels like a big shakeout day here at this point. Type of day that would shake you out and get you in trouble and get you out of here. And, nobody seems to have questions today. So I thought I'd come in real quick, see how everybody's doing, put this up there if you wanted to watch it, and, play carefully. I think the biggest thing I would recommend right now is for people just to take it nice and easy here. It's been a great start to the year for most people, and this is not the time to be putting all your money at risk here. It's the time to be playing very selectively, watching the flow. One of the reasons I got an XNet today is they came screaming for calls on it early this morning, and I jumped on board and I didn't think twice about it. I did lose a little bit of money on Baidu this morning, very small. It's coming back now. I lost a little bit of money trying to trade Roku this morning. Both were small. And, that's okay. Not every trade's going to be a winner. At this point, Roku looks out of play and it's off my radar again. So that said, I've been having issues with TOS all day, and I'm going to do a reboot here of Thinkorswim. So unless anybody has questions, I will catch you guys later. Trade safe, be good. And if you're interested, sign up for my service. $25 for 30 days, not a bad deal. Find out what I offer, how it works. Everybody in here, if you can't make money off of $25, then I shouldn't be in business with you guys. So have a good one. I'll catch you later.